how are you?
We're good.
We're great, we're great.
How are you?
How are you?
Very good. Firstly, super congratulations again to you guys that you guys are here. You know, like you are the pageant winners, and you're preparing, and you know, it's amazing what you guys are doing right now. Like it is
Thank you so
irrespective.
much.
You're looking so beautiful.
Yeah.
Like you
So
always
are you guys. So are you guys. Like irrespective of the lockdown, it's commendable that you guys have not stopped your prep.
That's so
Yeah.
sweet, Sushmi.
Yeah.
What have you been up to?
Oh, I have been up to, you know, like the regular things. Like my life was pretty much the same even before the quarantine. So it's not like much has changed. The only thing which has probably changed is going to the set and, you know, shooting or you know, like a few auditions or meetings. Otherwise, this is how my life was even before, so not much has changed. How is
So you're
your
not
prep
somebody.
going?
So you're not somebody who usually goes out a lot. You're not an outdoorsy person.
Not really.
Okay.
So when you're at home, are you like enjoying your lazy time? Or you're working out, being productive, doing everything that you can to keep yourself busy?
Yeah, it's not really lazy. It's just that I prefer to invest my time, you know, and not
Yeah.
necessarily stepping out is a symbol of being productive. It can be busy, and but there's
Yeah.
a difference between being productive and busy,
Productive and
right?
being busy.
So I like to invest my time and be productive. So there are like a lot of things which I do throughout the day and which does not actually involve me stepping out of the house. So yeah.
I see a
So
lot of videos of you dancing, and I think that's my favorite part of it. So,
Oh, thank you.
explain what are the forms that you know and your relationship with dance.
dance.
Oh, I love dancing. You know, when I was a kid, my dad is in the army. So whenever we would go to army messes, I would literally go to the dining table, start jumping and dancing around.
Wow.
Yeah, like I've embarrassed my parents a lot. So I think because of that, my mother finally decided to, you know, put me in formal training for dance. So I've done Basharat in Odissi. I'm learning Kathak now. I
Wow.
can do Bollywood, contemporary. Then I can do, what else can I do? I can do aerial silk rope and
Wow.
yeah, like I just love to dance. You just like give me a choreography and I can. And I'm learning belly dancing right now, so that's one thing.
That's a great.
That's amazing. I'm, looking
Yeah.
forward for some
Some
sizzling performance.
videos, yeah.
Yeah. Are you guys interested in dancing? Like, I mean, do you
Yeah,
guys?
Adeline is a great dancer. Adeline is a very
Yeah?
good dancer.
I try. I love dancing. I mean,
What
it's
are the
such a
forms that you know?
Western. I do Western Bollywood belly dancing. I really want to learn Indian dance forms. I think it's
Wow.
difficult if you really put your effort into it. Can you
Yeah.
learn Kathak and all after a certain age, or is there, I always had this question that can you learn Kathak, Bharatanatyam after a certain age, or is it something that you learn from a very young age?
See, the thing is, with any dance form, once you start learning it when you're a kid, you know, it just becomes it's become second nature. You know, like the grace or jo adaएं होती है and everything just becomes a part of you. Like rhythm becomes a part of your body. You don't have
Right.
to work very hard because then our body is all muscles, right? So like the muscle knows, like the eye knows how to move, the hand knows how to move, the fingers know how to move. But after a certain age, it is a little difficult, but it's not impossible. It's not like you can't learn. You know, like anything can be done with determination and like your desire to do something, and if you're passionate about it. And the thing is, if you have done any form of dance previously, you have that rhythm in your body, so it's easier.
It's true.
But I mean, you can do anything. That's what I personally believe in.
That's amazing. So when did you start learning
Dancing.
Kathak?
Actually, when
Um,
did you start dancing?
I was very young. I was very young. Honestly don't know like what age to put my finger on that when I started dancing, because I was really young when my mom pushed me for dance classes. I used to hate it when I was a kid. Like, you know, and in Odyssey is like boring because like 1 hour of class will be only like this one choker, like or tribhangi, or so, like or like those mudras which you do,
Right.
and I would be like, when am I going to dance? So yeah, it was like a real hair puller, but eventually I understood the importance of Natya Shastra and like started enjoying it eventually.
So that used to be very technical. Is that what you're trying to say?
It's not technical. It's just that like the dance form,
Yeah.
in freestyle, like everything has its basics, right? Like
Yeah.
ABCD. Like even if you learn a language like English or Hindi, the first thing which you learn is the alphabets of it, the letters of
Right.
it. So for Odyssey, the language of dance also has its own ABCD. So that ABCD learning through your body is like extremely tedious.
So I'm going to take you back to your pageantry journey
Yeah,
and
and we have
your
some questions
Miss
to
India
ask.
days.
Yes, the golden days of our lives.
Are you in contact with anyone from your batch?
All of them, most of them. I mean, we are constantly in touch. We are sending each other memes on Instagram, DM, and not just like the girls I met like during my pageant who became like my soul sisters, but also
Yeah.
like my pageant, like the friends who I made in my international
Priyanka?
pageant. Like we are constantly in touch. I think that is what happens, and that is exactly what is going to happen with you girls. Like both of you will form this bond because you are preparing for your pageant together, so you know each other's struggle, you know each other's strengths, weaknesses, and you will form this bond. And when you go for your international pageant as well, you will meet so many of these
Exactly.
girls with whom you share the same dreams, who think like you. They're just from a different culture, and they probably will speak a different language, which they of course will, but then you guys will form this amazing bond which is going to last a lifetime. Trust me on that.
Yeah, we also feel that. So
So,
you wanna ask this
yes,
question?
yes. In fact, I want to tell you something before we start the questions. So, the first time I saw you was when I was in college, and I was in my first year that time, and I did not know much about Miss India. And then you came to the college, and I was watching you, and I was in the security. They have this security department. So you just came on the stage, and I always tell you this. I've told you the story before, so I'm not sure whether you remember. You just came to the stage,
I
and then you
remember
did this
having this conversation.
and then you did this signature twirl of yours.
Yeah.
And that moment, I was like, wow. I was doing something and I was like, wow, what just happened? And then after that, oh my God, like, things started changing for me. Then after I started realizing, and it was such a beautiful moment. I still remember it. It was amazing. Thank you
Trust
so
me,
much.
one thing which I really genuinely miss is our ramp walk session. My God. Like, I don't know how much you guys enjoy it, but I used to
Love it.
love the ramp
Love
walk
it.
session. Like, I mean, those twirls and sass and throwing your hair and all that. Oh my God, it was so much fun. Because of that, I probably started dancing on heels. It's just like so much fun.
A lot of people
True.
want to ask you questions, guys. If you want to ask Sushi questions, drop it in. We are reading the questions simultaneously. We'll be
There are
asking
actually a
her.
lot of fans joining.
See, the thing is, girls, you guys are very advanced because of the lockdown. I think you have had enough digital training. Trust me, I am still learning the whole digital media game, so you have to help me out here.
Of course, of course. Like we don't know much, but whatever we know, we'll try to.
Yes, we'll help each other.
Okay. Till then, we'll get on with our questions.
Yeah, let's.
So we've seen some really amazing pics that you've clicked indoors, like self-portraits, and we want that you can give some tips to us.
Tips for self-portrait. So the thing is, I have stalked you guys on Instagram before we did this chat yesterday, and I have seen you guys click really good pictures. Come on, what
Thank
can
you
you
so
want from
much.
me? But
So we've
anyway,
learned some music.
I'll share what little bit of what I know.
Yeah.
So the thing is, I think self-portrait is something I have been doing since ages because of two reasons. One, like necessity is the mother of invention. So like I would want a photograph to be clicked, but then I would not have anybody around me, so I would just like find a place. So I think all you need to do is find a place to put your camera, a safe place where you can actually move your hands and you're free, you know, and self timer is really helpful. You can play around with sunlight, and you can play around with the natural light that you have around you, and you can also play a lot with shadows. You can use different backgrounds, you know, like curtains, or you can do so many different things. And my god, hi Colston. Colston is an amazing
Hi,
photographer.
Colston.
You should follow him. He's fabulous, and I'm a huge fan of his work. Please, after this chat, please go and
Yes,
oh,
I do follow
yeah. After this, yes, backlight. Colston, why don't you give us some tips on photography, because he's like one of the top
Yes.
most photographers of our country. Yeah, so that is what I do, you know, playing with like different backgrounds. And one tip which I will share with you guys is that there are time, like right now, you know, like I was trying to understand framing, because I'm trying to understand filmmaking, and you know, like da da da. So with that, like you can create like really interesting backdrop, because sometimes what happens is you have used every corner of your house, right?
Yeah.
So now what you can probably do is that switch on your TV, and you can play one of those screens, you know, which has like really colorful lights, or you know, like some really cool background, and click against it, so you get like very interesting pictures out of it. Hi Melvin. Hi Chetna. Oh my god.
Hi, Melvin.
Hi, Melvin.
Yeah, so these are the only things I probably know.
We should try
Try
that
that,
out. There's something that I
definitely.
want to ask you. Shah Rukh Khan is my favorite actor.
Oh,
And
mine too.
and you
And you know
mentioned
we
you shot
worked
with him. So what was your
Yes.
experience then?
It was amazing. Like, I was so nervous before the scene. I can't even begin to explain. And he is, you know, like everybody says that X person is a superstar or Y person is a superstar, but we only see them from a distance from their interviews, and we gauge them, you know, like as much of their personality as we can, and try to understand the kind of people they are. But when I was shooting with him, like keeping everything aside about how fantastic he is, or how good looking he is, or how great an actor he is, and keeping all of that aside, one thing which really touched my heart and really moved me, and I don't think I'm ever forgetting it, is the amount of humility he had, you know.
Yeah.
And he has been a theater actor, so before shooting our scene, he literally came on set and he practiced with every single actor on
Wow.
set. Like, even the, I do not personally like this word, but that is a word which we use, and the word is extras, like basically the extra artists on the set who do not
Extra
have
special. Yes.
extra
Yeah.
Without
special,
which we
and
cannot complete a movie.
yeah. So he practiced, and he was actually took the time of asking their names, you know, and practicing the entire scene, which was like, wow, he's a star. In my head, that's what I'm thinking. He doesn't need to do this, but he still is, which was like, I mean, I am more in love with this man, like absolutely.
Wow.
And he has a fantastic sense of humor, and yeah, like, I mean, I hope to do more work with him, so
Definitely,
Definitely.
Sushi. We can see you there.
Yeah, exactly.
I hope all of us do.
Okay. We also know that you shot for Kingfisher Calendar, and we want to know your experience there also.
It was amazing. So I've shot for the calendar twice. Trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Both the times, like first time when I was shooting for it, I didn't know how it was going to be, right? So I was a little nervous. But then eventually it kind of eased out, and it is not like a shoot at all, because the Kingfisher team they are absolute sweethearts. Like, I have found another family in them now. I think that is what happens with me. Every time I'm working with anyone, I build this rapport, and then we become really thick, and, you know, build like a very strong connection with them. So it was like a holiday. Trust me, it was like a holiday in which we were wearing these really fancy, sexy swimsuits, and
Swimsuits.
we were shooting on these gorgeous locations. And yeah, like cracking like a lot of jokes, eating a lot of good food, and it was an absolute holiday. Trust me. And if ever you get the opportunity to do it, I feel like you should just jump right in and do it.
Oh, wow. You know, while you were narrating the whole experience, I could imagine everything that was going on, that might have been going on. And it
Yeah,
seems really wonderful.
yeah,
And
it is.
especially,
Trust me, Sam.
I cannot, because you're such a warm person. Anybody that meets you, they feel your energy instantaneously, and that's why I can imagine the kind of bond you form. And
You are
I
too
feel that,
sweet.
and but in like in our country, swimsuits, like it's such a kind of a no thing. People, girls get very. I was very like because I come from a very reserved family, so it's a new thing for us. We're not used to it. So did it happen to you coming from like a military background?
See, my parents are very chilled out. Like, my mom is a cop and my dad is a colonel. But like the extended family obviously had a little bit of an issue. But I think, see, my parents are very cool. So I think that is what helps me to reinstill my belief system, because I don't really function from what everybody around me thinks.
Right.
Because what everybody, see, have you heard that song? कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
Yeah.
Canada,
Yeah.
yeah.
That is like a thumb rule in life for me. So I don't
Exactly.
really, it doesn't really matter who says what, you know. At the end of the day, if you are happy, if you know what you're doing is right, your intentions are clear, it doesn't matter who says what.
Exactly.
Absolutely right.
Absolutely right.
So yeah.
Okay.
If you girls are done, I have something very interesting for you girls.
No, we are not done. We're not
We're done
done.
with a last question, and then we can
All
move it.
right.
You've shot with Sanjay Leela Bhansali also recently for a song.
You've been
So,
directed by him.
yeah, how did it feel like?
He's a dream director.
He is he is like one person on the top of my list I want to work with so badly. I can't even begin to explain, and I will take this opportunity to put it out in the universe. But going back to that memory, my God, it was incredible. So I didn't know, because so he was producing the film and he had made the song, but he was not, I had actually didn't know that he was going to be on set that day. And this was during the shoot of the movie Malal. I was shooting for the song Aila Re, and
Yes.
we had done the prep. Ganesh Acharya sir was choreographing it, big set,
Wow.
and my first song, right? So I was damn nervous, because like shooting with such a big crew, and like all these people, like you watch them on TV, right? So
Yeah.
you don't really, like, I mean, like you want to, like, like you want these things to happen for you, but then when it actually is happening, you don't know how to react. So
Exactly.
apart from the fact that you have to do your best, there is this constant,
Nervousness in your head.
nervousness. And the director Mangesh sir was there obviously on set, and like we were doing this like, so the prep was there, like everything is going on, everybody is on set. Mangesh sir, who was the director, Ganesh Acharya sir was the choreographer, Mizan was there. But suddenly, just before we have done like the first rehearsal, and suddenly Sanjay Leela Bansali sir enters, and the entire set just goes quiet. And I'm like, oh my God, how am I supposed to like be, So, yeah, like, I mean, it was like, for me, like I was little pinching myself.
Starstruck?
Or you was
Not
really
starstruck.
intimidated?
It was, I was, see, it was not really intimidated, but the fact that,
Honor. It was an honor.
no, like, see, not a lot of people get that opportunity, and I felt like if I'm getting this opportunity to do this beautiful song composed by the Sanjay Leela Bansali, I have always wanted to work with him, and I'm in front
Yeah, you
of
want to
like,
do
I'm
it right.
working in a, exactly, I'm working with this director Mangesh Shah, who has won national awards. Mizan was so good and humble himself. Ganesh Acharya sir, like Chamma Chamma and all these songs,
Yeah.
you know, like we have grown up watching. So you don't want to let anybody down. And
Exactly.
I think, I don't know if it's the right thing to do or not, but then I kind of put a lot of pressure on myself. But it all turned out well, you know, like he changed a step last minute. I put on a brave face, and you know, like I whatever dancing and jitna matlab army mess में बचपन में कचरा किया था, I just like was brave about the entire thing and like went on with the shoot, and it was fabulous. Like nobody knew how nervous I was. I would probably come back to the vanity and just like deep breathe and go back to the set. But yeah, it was fantastic.
You didn't look nervous. I mean, the song is so fun. I've seen you dance. You're dancing spectacular. I know it's not your forte, but you've kind of done it so well. It's amazing.
Yeah,
job.
it's amazing.
Thank you. I tried. I was very nervous.
When you met me before, you told a part of your story to me that you were not always a girly girl. You were a tomboy. So how
Yeah,
that
this
journey?
transformation happened.
Yeah, see, yeah, like I mean, it was never me, you know, like I was into sports and I was in NCC, so I was like I would dance, but then like it was just a part of the thing which my mom forced me to do, and eventually I developed interest in it. But the transition just happened, you know. Like I feel like once you're growing up, like, I think the one decision of being a part of Miss India changed everything for me. You know, like I think that has been the changing point for a lot of people in their lives, and that's exactly what happened with me. If it probably wasn't
Yeah.
for Miss India, I mean, things would have changed, but not this drastically.
Not
You
this.
know, I think
I
that,
agree, I agree.
yeah, that is what happened. Like a lot of us.
Now we have some rapid fire questions. So you have to
Oh,
answer
okay.
right.
Allow her to start first.
That's
you were
okay.
saying.
What do you want to do? You want to go
Okay.
for rapid fire questions, or you have some questions?
I have something very fun for you. And that is, okay, see, I'm going to give you a few dialogues from a few movies.
Okay.
Okay? And what you have to do is enact it. And I'm going to
Oh,
read
enact
you.
it.
Enact
Okay.
it, yeah. I mean, and it's very easy, simple lines. Okay? So the first one is, let me think. Should I make it easy or should I make it difficult for you girls?
I think we should
Easy.
start easy.
Okay, so the dialogue is, एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
No, I'm already
Okay.
laughing.
Okay, so I have a Hindi, okay, anyways. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
Nice, come on.
Not bad. Okay, come on, Avril.
That's
No,
what
no,
the
no, the first one, come on. First one, it's very good.
Okay. Oh, I have to do
Yes.
that too. Okay. Okay, I can't stop laughing. Wait. Yeah.
चल हंसते हंसते बोल दो.
एक चुटकी की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
Okay, take two.
Oh shit! एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
Amazing,
You need to do
amazing.
better than this. Come on. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay,
I
so
stop laughing.
This was
You
a
asked me to do
warming up
dialogue.
exercise. This is a
warming
warming up
up.
dialogue.
Exactly. This is very good. Okay, so the next one, the game actually starts now. Okay, so the second dialogue is that अगर तुम मेरे जिंदगी में नहीं होते, नहीं, sorry, the dialogue is अगर वो मेरे लाइफ में नहीं होता तो शायद मैं भी तुमसे पट जाती. Just imagine.
क्या?
अगर वो मेरी जिंदगी में नहीं होता तो शायद मैं तुमसे पट जाती. Just imagine.
Nice.
And then
I want you to say it after we're done.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
What
what?
was the line? After I say, then you have to say.
I have to sing.
No, say the dialogue.
Acha,
So
okay, I'll
fun
do that.
dialogue.
We'll do it.
Yes, Vishal, for now it's overacting, but yeah, we get better.
Okay.
Melvin is saying एक चुटकी chocolate की कीमत. Yeah, yes, I love chocolates. Are you a
Melvin,
chocolate
we love
person too?
you. Come on.
Okay. The dialogue is अगर वो मेरी लाइफ
अगर
में नहीं
वो
होता.
मेरी लाइफ में नहीं होता शायद मैं भी तुमसे पट जाती. जस्ट इमेजिन.
Okay. अगर वो मेरी लाइफ में नहीं होता तो शायद मैं भी तुमसे पट जाती. Just imagine.
Very nice, very nice. Okay.
Okay,
Your turn.
okay, your turn.
Are we really doing this? Okay, fine, I'll do it.
Yes.
अगर वो मेरी लाइफ में नहीं होता तो शायद मैं भी तुमसे पट जाती. Just imagine.
Wow. Yeah, that's how we're
You're
supposed
really
to do it.
cute. You look really
Shut
cute
up.
doing it.
Not that great. Anyway, okay, so the next one is very easy. It's a very famous dialogue. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता सांप प्यार से लगता है.
Okay. Go. I'm getting in the mood.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता सा, प्यार से लगता है.
वाह, what
Good.
That
seriousness.
was so cringe-worthy. Anyways, I liked it.
But so serious, yeah. I mean, fan, loved it.
She's gonna go थप्पड़
अरे
से
यार,
डर.
I was going to say the dialogue. Wait, okay.
Hmm.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब, प्यार से लगता है.
What is happening to you girls? Both of you are like getting better and better.
Oh God.
Amazing.
Okay, Sushri, I'm really excited for this one. Yes.
Huh?
I'm really excited for this one. You're going to do the same thing.
No. Okay, cool. Okay, fine. This is so unnerving. Why am I making you girls do this? I don't know.
It's fun.
Yeah, like,
You're really
don't
enjoying
make us do it.
Okay.
Hi, Melvin.
I think she's performing.
Melvin, will you let me?
He's waving at me, so I waved him back.
It's okay. थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता साहब प्यार से लगता है.
Woo! I banged Adam's phone.
अच्छा, okay. Okay, so last one is from okay, it's this dialogue from this movie Kamyab, and I think it's very relevant to the lockdown. And the dialogue is just enjoying life of और option क्या है?
That guy, okay, the extra special guy.
Yes, extra special guy.
Sat, we should say this together.
No, we have to
Painting.
perform.
I would
I forgot, what was it?
Just enjoying life.
हाँ,
Okay, just
enjoying life or option.
guys, or option क्या है?
Very nice.
just enjoying life, guys. और option ही क्या है?
You know the best part of the dialogue, उसमें guys है ही नहीं, but it's still
It's still okay. 100 upon 100 to
Just-
both of you.
Thank
Just
you.
enjoying life और option ही क्या है?
Exactly. Anyway, so that was it. In between, if I think of more dialogues, I'm going to bombard you girls.
Shoot it at us. We have our
getting
rapid
practice.
round. So welcome to the rapid round.
Okay,
With
Are you
us.
ready?
ready.
Okay.
Okay, no thinking. You just have to.
Answer. Okay.
Okay.
What's your favorite show during quarantine?
Oh, I just finished watching Into the Night, and it was amazing. I just like saw it in one go.
Which one?
Into the Night. It's a new
Into
Netflix
the
series.
Into the Night.
Watch it.
Ooh.
Favorite
nice.
actor.
Favorite
Ever.
actor, Julia Roberts.
Male.
Sorry, who? Male.
Male actor.
Tom Hanks, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay, great. Next.
I was just watching Titanic today. You know, he looked so cute in it.
Oh, my
Even
God.
Tom Hanks from Forrest Gump. I just watched that movie. It's amazing.
Amazing, amazing. Castaway is also fantastic. Catch
Yeah.
is amazing. So
Next
many.
Okay, one movie or book character you relate to the most.
One movie or book character. That's a difficult question because every time I read something, I feel like अरे मैं तो
You're
ऐसी
attached.
अरे मैं तो ऐसी So it's difficult to answer that question.
I think what happens with me is that I find some character traits in them and I'm like, "Ki, I do this. This is so relatable, you know?
Yeah, and
So
because
not everything goes.
yeah, and because we are constantly changing, like someday Like what I was probably 6 months ago, I'm not that person anymore.
That's
So
true.
like
Change is
it's a
constant.
constant evolution.
Okay, so what question you wish people stopped asking you?
There's nothing like that. I wish people stopped asking. Genuinely,
Okay, your fashion icon.
my fashion icon. Who do I love? Uh, I don't follow anyone when it comes to fashion. It's I'm so easygoing, and I like you'll find me in kurtas and like comfortable clothes. So yeah, anybody who uh, follows comfort rather than trends is somebody I
Anushka
genuinely
Sharma?
love. Anushka Sharma is good, but then
Yeah,
her style is very athleisure. That's not my
yeah.
style. Like I prefer more cotton, more Indian, more
Oh
kurtas.
wow.
So that is my space.
Like I can see you wearing jhumka. So all
Yes,
that
I put
kind
in the
of
effort today.
Okay,
sweet.
so if you had a biopic made on you, who would be playing your lead?
You,
Who would be playing you?
you.
Oh, so sweet.
So probably I
Same
may do
here.
an audition.
Same
I'll
here.
probably do an. Probably I'll do an audition between both of you, and whoever makes the
Says
cut.
एक
Yeah.
चुटकी सिंदूर.
Ek.
That was your audition, girls. You didn't know that.
Oh no. We'll do it one more time. We'll do it one more time.
I will
Like
speak to the
in
director and
person.
let you know.
Okay, so your most embarrassing moment on the stage
Oh my
ever.
god, my god, my god! Don't remind me.
I feel
So
like
I
has
have
it has
had,
there been many or just one?
I have had. See, after a point, I think I became very, thick-skinned. Nothing of like
Yeah, like
really bothered me. But when I was really young, I was probably in standard eighth, and my mom did not let me grow my hair. Like I literally had 4G cut, and I used to dance, right? So while
yeah.
performing Odyssey, I was wearing this wig, and it was clipped. All right, and in Odyssey, you have this headgear which goes around your head
Yeah.
and you're tied. Okay, so that whole thing. I was dancing and I didn't realize, in the end when I did the Sabha Namaskar, Sabha Pranam and I looked down, my God, my wig was down. I literally ran from that stage. And after
So
So
that,
you know, it already fell when you were dancing or when you did the pranam, then
I
it
don't
fell.
know. I don't know. I was so engrossed in dancing that I have no idea when it fell genuinely. I did not even feel the weight coming off my head. I was so
Oh.
embarrassed. Like, I mean, I can feel hot on my cheeks right now while narrating it.
Oh.
That's so sweet. So,
But you know, that's a true dancer. You are completely lost in your dance, in your art. You're enjoying
What
yourself in the
embarrassing
moment.
moment. Like, I don't even want to think about it.
I think that's one thing also when I was younger, my parents used to keep cutting my hair really short. They used to keep it boy cut. And
Hmm.
even in third standard, I remember going completely bald.
What?
I,
I didn't know about that.
so I went to dance classes and it never hit me. When you're kids, you don't really think, and I was not a child who would think about all that. So I went to the
Yeah.
dance class, and it hit me when the guru he asked me he was separating girls and boys. So he asked me, "Are you a girl or are you a boy?"
Oh, oh, baby. I can
So
relate
then
to it completely.
Melvin wants us to say Bokwas dictionary dialogue from Deepika.
Yes.
I
What
think
is the
you should
dialogue?
do it.
No, no, no. All of us are going to
किधर
do
से
it. What is the
खरीदी ये
dialogue?
बकवास डिक्शनरी
Dictionary. Huh.
किधर से खरीदी ये बकवास डिक्शनरी like
Come
Um,
on. Start.
हाँ so she says किधर से खरीदी ये बकवास डिक्शनरी
Hmm.
your turn. Melvin
Your
asked
turn.
you to say.
I'm
Ask you to
S.
say.
Okay. So we are going alphabetical order.
that's very nice okay Abriti say
What's the dialogue?
किधर से खरीदी ये बकवास डिक्शनरी
Okay, I'll copy you, you know. किधर से खरीदी ये बकवास डिक्शनरी?
हाँ. Okay. किधर से खरीदी ये बकवास डिक्शनरी?
sexy
I think we
superb
changed the lingo of it completely, but anyway.
Yeah. Okay, now
So
your most memorable moment from your national pageant and your international pageant.
my national pageant and my International pageant.
Like Miss India and then Miss United Conference.
Okay, so I'll tell you what so in my national pageant, I made a really strong bond with one of the participants, and that bond is still going strong till today.
Wow.
And that memory has just been etched in my mind and my heart forever. And that was this, that like, so during the a national pageant, I fell and I had ruptured a ligament in my right wrist here.
Oh,
And
no.
I couldn't do my hair, I couldn't do my makeup. I would somehow manage to do my makeup with my left hand, but doing hair is very difficult. So I remember one day, this one contestant comes up to me and she helps me to do my hair, and I'm just thinking in my head that this is a beauty pageant. I mean, girls, if somebody is actually helping me, like, it takes a very big heart to do somebody's hair and make somebody look good, considering this is a beauty pageant. And that was the moment when we just bonded, and that was like the beginning of a lifelong friendship. And that contestant was Vartika. So yes, and she and I are just friends till today. And I don't think I can ever get over that moment. We have had so many fights and so many amazing memories together. We have done so many jobs together that, like, I love her to the bits. That is one memory which is never going out of my heart ever in my life. And from the international pageant, there were so many of them, like, I can't even begin to explain. But that one moment when I won the national costume and they called out India, like, for a microsecond, I can't even begin to explain. I was frozen. I was like, is it India? Because they were announcing in Spanish. I had done my Spanish lessons, I could communicate in Spanish and all of that jazz. But at the same time, like, you don't really know, like, you don't want to step forward, and then you don't want to, like, make a fool out of yourself.
Yeah.
So then, like, the friends I had made during the pageant, they told me, yes, you have won. So then that moment I can never forget. Like, I mean, हमारे अंदर का जो patriotism होता है, once all of you are going to realize that the minute you step out, you want to do everything to make your country win.
Country proud.
Which is
Yeah.
fantastic. You will just forget yourself. It becomes, like, for me, that's what it happened. It became a very selfless journey of just making my organization proud, my parents proud, my country proud, and all of that was above me. I think that is what really was
Matters.
absolutely fulfilling about my journey.
Wow,
That is
you just
so-
took us on a
Your
different
journey,
journey. That's
actually.
amazing, Sushri. And yeah, I'm getting
Amazing.
goosebumps. Sorry.
Yeah. Me too. I was going to say the same thing. I was going to say the same thing. Because
So that's
even for
actually
us,
giving us
when
hope.
our names were announced for microsecond, you don't believe that this has actually happened.
How
And
was
you're
your
stuck
thing?
in that
Yeah, tell
place.
me. Like, how did you feel? Like, I mean, like, I'm sure you guys would have thought of that winning moment a lot of times during your pageant, but
Yeah.
like, how was it actually when you won? Like, what was going on through your head and your heart?
My heart was racing like anything. I could hear my heartbeats through my ears, like dhak 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 all the time. And then they announced Miss Diva Supranational first, and that time I remember, I realized, okay, my name has been announced, and now I want really good pictures. I didn't want to cry at that time, so I was being very
Smart
calm
girl.
and composed. And because I was trying to be calm and composed, what I did was, after I got sashed and crowned, you're supposed to wait for the gratification and click picture and then go wherever your position is assigned to. I forgot about the gratification. I thought, okay, crown sashed, okay, I'm done. I have to just go back and stay for the winner to be announced. And then I forgot about the gratification. I went ahead, waved and everything, and I stand where I was supposed to. And then I hear everybody saying, Avriti, Avriti. Like, what happened? Then I turned back and everybody, the people, the behind me was pointing.
Oh,
And
that's
I realized
really
what I
sweet.
did.
Oh, and how was yours?
In fact, we've been, I mean, the last month when we were having a media week, we've been asked, a lot of people have asked these questions so many times, but now that you've asked this, I've gone
I'm
back
sorry
into,
to ask it again.
no, not at all, because that time you don't really feel what you've gone through. But now, from like 2 months post that, you really, you go back and you really have memories of exactly what
What
had
is
happened.
happening?
So during the entire competition, I had the entire journey of Miss Diva, and even before that, because I've been preparing for 2 years, two and a
Yeah.
half years. So, I was remembering everything in my brain, what I went, and how Diva was as the journey. So I was telling myself, no matter whatever happens here, I've learned a lot. I've evolved as a person. This was the best I could ever be. So I was very grateful to the stage, to the contestants, to everybody that, organized this thing. This was a dream, and I'm here. Regardless of what happens, I was telling myself, you've done it, Adeline. It's okay. And then after this was a image that I used to always have it in my mind. I'm somebody who really believes in visualization, and really kind of painting the picture. So I always used to imagine, okay, they would say contestant number, okay, Adeline Castlino. So when it really happened, even if I've dreamt this so many times over the year, it was like the ground beneath me kind of just like kind of fleeted away. And I was like,
Yeah.
oh my God, I was like uncontrollable. I had to hug everybody on that stage. I hugged Lara ma'am twice, thrice, and I don't know whether.
Vartika,
Yeah.
Vartika also.
I hugged
Oh.
Vartika. I think I hugged her more than 5 times, and she was also so. So, yeah, but this was wonderful experience, and I'm really grateful. I mean, it's once in a lifetime
She was crying and
opportunity.
smiling at the same time. You
Oh,
should see her
that's
face.
the most beautiful
Then it
feeling.
starts hurting you, right? I know you've gone through the same thing.
Starts
It
hurting.
does, it does. But I think it's one of the most amazing experiences of our lives, and I think we're going to
Right.
cherish
Forever.
exactly forever. And anyway,
I
I'm
mean,
really sorry while talking about my entire national page, like winning the national costume moment. I did not mention Melvin because
Melvin.
I'm extremely sorry, Melvin. Without you, that just wasn't possible. Trust me,
Yes.
it was all Melvin. It was all Melvin and the MIO, the Miss India organization, which put in their entire effort in making my costume look so good, and the way it was packed, because my pageant had like a certain standards of how much saman was allowed, so they had to like pack very like strategically, and like, I mean, considering all the
Agreed.
designer clothes that we get, like, and all the love that we get from our country, like, I cannot be more grateful to the organization, and especially Melvin. Thank you so much. I love you.
We love you
Thank
too,
you,
Melvin.
Melvin.
Thank you for a lot of things.
Yeah. So, okay, so I want to share something with you girls that, see, we always see, I'm an actor now, right? So the whole Miss India journey is kind of behind me. I have learned so much from it, and I have moved on to pursue a different passion now, which is acting. And that has taught me so many things, like so many life lessons. I can't even begin to explain. And um, like,
Melvin,
I
so
have
sweet.
taken whatever I have learned from there, and I have moved on to a different passion now. Now, this passion has taught me something which is called rejection.
Yeah.
We all talk about all the good positive things in life, and we are all always constantly glorifying success so much that we do not know and we do not understand how important it is to be able to take failures in a positive way, so, and that is where real winners are, and every day, like at every day, you won't wake up in a good mood, or every day you probably wouldn't wake up to be in to function a certain way, but you have to. It's not that you have to, but the thing is, the certain things which we just have to do, so I feel like certain things which I have learned along the journey is that to be kind every single day, to be
Yeah.
Absolutely.
good no
Absolutely.
matter what. So, like, before the finale, I remember, because when I was in my international pageant, I would talk to every single person, every hotel staff, and whatever little Spanish I could communicate with them. Even the people who would come and do housekeeping, they wanted India to win. Like, I would walk from the hotel to the bus and people would be screaming India because they wanted me to win so badly, because they
That is
knew me,
cool.
right? And I was the representative of India. So they knew India through me. So I think that is what becomes a game changer when you are just kind. You don't have to do, Arpit, stop
Extra.
it. I am your big fan, sir. Thank you so much. You just put me in such a positive mood yesterday. You have no idea. Anyway, I'm sorry. So getting back is that being kind and being kind to people, being loving towards people, and not being kind because you have to, being genuinely interested in them. Strike a conversation with people because you genuinely want to know how they are or how they are doing. I mean, when your intentions are right, when you want to talk to someone, people can sense that energy. So
Yeah.
just be genuine and real. So that when you go for your international pageant tomorrow, the hotel staff should want you to win. The people who are working from the organization of their international team, they want you to win. And that, I feel, is a real winner. And
Absolutely.
turning every day around, no matter what happens, taking each day and doing the best that you can, no matter what, not getting bogged down by negative criticism. If a positive criticism comes your way, take it, incorporate it, and learn. And Natasha, who heads the team, is such a fierce person. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
a big fan of Natasha. I don't know if she's here or not, but then I love Natasha because
We love
she's
We love her
Natasha
too.
too.
We love her too.
exactly see, everybody in the team has a quality, right? And there is a reason why they have come this far. So uh, what we always do, we are always wanting to learn from XYZ people by watching their interviews. You probably would have seen Sushmita Sen's interview, Aishwarya Rai,
Yes. Yes.
their interview, Priyanka Chopra, Lara Datta. But the point is, these women you're working with, Natasha, Suparna, Devika, all these women have some fierce power within them, from the pageant
Absolutely.
That's
team,
very true.
We agree.
and from the Times talent team, Rani, Rima, Rahul, like
Mhm.
all these people, like Suchi, like there's
They're
so
very
many people.
sweet.
I'm sorry if I don't take anybody's name, but genuinely, collectively, everybody as a team are fantastic people. There is something
Absolutely.
that
We
they
agree.
do. So when in every interaction of theirs, understand that what is it that makes them stand out? What is it that they are winners in their respective fields? Learning and taking inspiration from people around you is what is going to strengthen you more as a human being, and it will help you to find you as human
Yeah.
beings, and that, I feel, is like the real superpower.
Thank you so much for sharing
we
this,
have
you know.
we have taken 3 summary points. So
Be
rejection
kind.
rejection
Okay,
is
rejection.
redirection. It's not
Yeah.
Yes,
rejection.
absolutely.
Nothing
Be kind to everyone, not just because you want something in return, but
kill it with
genuinely
kindness.
kind.
And learn from everyone, because everyone
Yes,
is equal. You
They have
have
something to offer. Everybody has something.
yes. Everybody has something to offer. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Sushri.
and
Thank
and you're
you.
right about the fact that when a girl represents her country internationally, it's not just the girl, but it's the entire
Entire
team
nation
and
and
countless effort by so many people that nobody, sees.
sees.
There's a lot of
Yeah,
work that goes behind. So
yeah.
we really salute everybody that, helps us bring everything closer and
Together.
represent India, in the
Hi,
most.
Priyanka. Priyanka is such a sweetheart. I love Priyanka, such a positive soul. You know,
She's amazing.
yeah, she's amazing. And there's another thing I wanted to tell you, girls. Okay, it slipped my mind. When it comes back to me, I'll tell you.
Is it regarding Priyanka
Priyanka?
or the team?
No, it was something about. Oh, yeah, about the team. Okay, so I'll tell you what happens during the pageant process when you are preparing. A lot of times, last minute, a lot of things don't happen. So what happens? I mean, a lot of girls tend to be cranky, they're complaining, like all of that jazz because there's so much stress. We read all these quotes throughout the year, but actually, when the time comes of showing grace under pressure, we forget it. So don't let that happen to you in any way. Like during my pageant prep, trust me, we would prep, we would start our day, I would do my sessions, classes, come back, we'll do all the packing, I'll sit and pack with the team, and like everybody we'll finish everything, we'll play a game of Uno, and everybody will go.
That's
How
lovely.
Genuinely. So when you are having fun, the team will love you, and that's the whole point. When you are actually, and it is a lot in your hands how you make the working process. Do you want to make it fun, or do you want to make it cranky, or how do you want to make it? So when you have so much positivity coming from your team, they will genuinely want you to win from your heart. And वो बोलते हैं ना कि दुआओं में सबसे ज्यादा ताकत होती है. तो trust me,
Absolutely.
when the entire team wants you to win, there is no way that you will not do exceptionally well in your international pageants respectively, both of you.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We
Thank
also
you
feel
so
that.
much. I had such a great time, and we have been trying to do this since such a long time. I'm so glad we could finally do this.
And Anisha is here. She's saying hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Anisha is our IP head.
Oh, hi, Anisha. Okay, the team has changed so much.
Suparna wants to play Uno again.
Yes, see, Suparna knows. She was there during my team. Gopi, Rahul, we love you. I love Rahul so much.
We love him too. He's really fun.
Yeah, he's fun
Hi,
and he's
Rahul.
amazing.
And
He makes things
amazing
happen,
people.
which is fantastic. I love such people. So, how is your day? Like, what do you do throughout the day? What time do you wake up? Most importantly.
So
7:30.
7:30. Yes, that would be the
Seven.
cap. What about you?
I wake up at 5 a.m. and
Even now?
so there are days when if I'm binge watching a series, then I will probably wake up late. But I have been trying to get into the 5 a.m. club and trying to wake up at 5 a.m.
Wow.
And,
Amazing.
yeah. So because the thing is, when you wake up early, then you have like the whole day, and the number of hours in a day increases, right? And because of the whole lockdown happened, and I was never a fan of stepping out anyway, but now because of the whole lockdown situation, I was like, yeah, I'm going to make more use of it. So what I did was I signed up for a lot of online classes. I do like 2-3 classes. I take someone's class as well. I'm teaching something to someone, and I keep creating, I keep writing. I'm understanding filmmaking now, and I'm trying to explore other skills. So yeah, that's what is happening at my end.
That sounds very exciting, and you've given us something that we could add to our schedules.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think waking up early and having a morning ritual is extremely important.
Important.
Because
Yeah.
you can't just wake up and be thrown into the whole day schedule, right? So
yeah.
try to wake up early and have at least an hour or 2 hours to yourself and do whatever you need to do. And I don't know if you girls meditate or not. Do you girls meditate?
Yes.
Not
Yeah?
often. I don't do it often, but yeah. When I'm feeling really low or I really need to be with myself, that time I meditate.
Need to
Try
see
to.
Tumkas.
Sorry, what?
Tumkas. Need to
Hi,
see some
Richa.
tumkas. Richa.
Tumkas will happen in person.
Richa Malik is a star. Yes, Priyanka, that's right.
Yeah, the IP team
Amazing.
completely rocks. Anyway, so what I was trying to say, hi Sanju, I love you. Sanju's my favorite. Okay, anyway, so what I was trying to tell you girls is that try to meditate, because like when you have a calm mind, then trust me, I have seen the difference in my days, when the days I start with meditation and the days I do not start with meditation. Just see, meditation is a very big word. The problem is we use all these big words so many times without understanding the meaning of these words. So probably what you should try to do is just for 15-20 minutes, a half an hour, just try to sit quietly with a meditation music on, if that helps, and just be with yourself. That is extremely important. It's going to help you go within, and trust me, it's going to bring in a miraculous change within yourself once you start doing it religiously.
Absolutely. So you can see the change very, very, like in a week's time if you meditate, I guess.
Feel calmer, I
uh,
guess. That's what I've seen
see,
for myself whenever I have meditated.
See, I'll tell you, oh, yeah, like, I mean, but you know, like, there's nothing like एक हफ्ते में हो जाएगा या 15 दिन में हो जाएगा. It is just that it's your body, right? So the change, you can't really, there's no measure to it. There's no scale that within these many days it's going to happen. You just have to do it, and you will start feeling the change within yourself. Like, depending upon how evolved you are as a human being, the change is going to happen.
I completely agree. And
Should we look at a few questions if there are any?
so,
There's so
okay,
many.
I think Amriti works superbly hard, and she's the most dedicated and hardworking person. And I've seen every day how she puts in her effort to work, you know, so that India can win this international and third round.
It's both of us. Both of us are doing our sessions regularly, and we are doing whatever we can during this
I'm so
lockdown.
sorry, especially if you don't like, you know, we are just answering a question that I mentioned.
Sorry, what?
It's gone up anyway. But
Sorry, what? I
thank you so
didn't.
much for coming on the live. I think we have crossed the 1 hour mark.
Yes,
so
it's
let's
going to
start
be
the
1 hour
countdown
now. It's
towards-
going to be an hour now. Thank you so much. Good luck to both of you, and have a fantastic time preparing for your pageant. Enjoy the process more than just looking forward to the international pageant, because once you go there, you're going to have a blast anyway. And good luck and so much love to you girls. And I hope this was helpful in some way.
Thank you
Thank you
much,
so
Sushri,
much.
and wishing you the same, wishing you a lot of luck and success. You've always been inspiring us. You've inspired me from the start of my journey. I owe a lot to you, and I keep praying for you that, you know, you get whatever you wish.
Yeah, we'll definitely
Lots of
see you
luck.
on the silver screen, lead role.
I
You
hope
know-
all of us do well. I hope all of
We
us
also
are
shout out to the
amazing.
university.
Lots of love, girls. Thank you so much.
Lots of
Take
love.
care.
Thank you. Lots of love to
Bye.
everyone that's watching us. Thank you so much,
Bye.
guys. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss India
Thank you.
organization and Miss Diva organization for making this happen. And a huge, huge thank you and love to Natasha, Suparna, Melvin, Richa, the entire IP team and the entire team and Times Talent team. Mwah! So much love to you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye-bye. See you.
Bye.